In a previous training video, we added a new custom field and we called it government contract. This is to identify whether or not a file or a contract was associated with the government. While this can be assigned or automatically added as part of a template, we can also automatically add this as new files are added. We can just say plain and clear, whenever a new file comes in, we want to assign it a particular value associated with the government contract. So we can make that default, for example, no. We can say by default it is not a government contract. We could also go back the other way and say, well, there could be a condition or conditions under which we would automatically assign it the designation as a government contract. And you can see there's a number of options for the only add if. Typical options you see above that you see in our traditional search, and you can use custom field values. So if there's a particular custom field value that you want to use as an indicator to assign government contract a yes, you can do that. Or in this case there might be a tag. So if a file is tagged coming in, or already in the system for that matter, as federal, then we're going to say, well, that's probably a government contract, and we're going to let the system assign a value for us. So we pick the automatically assign a value and we say true. So what this means is that whenever a new contract is coming in and we're going to have a government contract field value, if it's tagged already as federal by somebody, then we're going to go ahead and say, yep, we're going to make that a federal contract to the system. If we wanted to, we could apply that to all the existing files in the system as well, simply by checking this box and saving. In this case, we're just going to save what we have. And now whenever we make that type of an addition and it fits that criteria, the system will automatically assign the value yes to government contract.